Alright guys, we're at our first install since the storm. Terrible entrance to the driveway. Have to park up there on the road. Luckily I was able to get over far enough to where traffic can get by. FedEx truck just went by, so I know these other vehicles can get by. We come in, the customer did their tear out yesterday. They brought their drop-in sink to us. From the paint, you can tell that there was corables on here before they tore it out. I guess they were torn out with the tear out, so they will have to have some corables before I can install this raised bar. I have texted the customer. I have not heard back from her yet. So they left nails sticking up in the wood as well. They did not clean the liquid nail and stuff off of the cabinets. This one here broke and falling apart, and they did not repair it at all. They also left tile on the wall here, so leaving quite a bit to be desired from the tear out. Alright, now we're going through our obstacle course with this. I'm trying to video at the same time. As you can see, it's not the easiest way to get into the house. So now we got to pick it up, carry it up the stairs. I'm gonna put this on the long form video. And I'm going to do a short on this raised bar. On my last video with a big top, I've got a bunch of tough guys on there saying they could do it 2 men and how to do it best and all that. When the reality of it is, they couldn't even done it with 2 more men than I had. But that's YouTube for you. So what you got to realize is you're not just putting a stone in, you're also trying to coach the people that are working with you on how to help, how to lift and all that. And sometimes that's harder than getting a stone in. With this one, we got to go high-low, and we got to get these cutouts in around this wall without breaking anything. We've got to have our guy in the center help. So it's going to be tough. We will do what we can, and we're going to cross our fingers and pray to the Lord that it works out. Guys, we just did a short getting this raised bar in. We had to cut some off of this ear and this ear here to make it match, because when we come down, as you can see, we don't have enough room here. The ear was hitting the cabinet, so we had to take some off of it so it'd go down. Alright guys, you can hear my generator running outside. There's no power in this house, like I said earlier. I put the seam together for the drop-in sink. We're getting ready to drop it. Like I said, these cabinets and the tear out that the customer did in general leaves quite a bit to be desired. I did a short with this raised bar. I actually did 2. We failed on the first attempt and got it on the second. AJ has been breaking off the shims back here. Make sure you clean up any of this that's on the wall.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Hopefully the customer's going to put a piece of trim, but so we're going to cut this out now. Alright guys, so the sink is cut out now. If you remember the stuff that was down there, we had it all covered with a blanket, but David's getting any excess dust that was out of there. So now it's time to clean up, get everything clean and sealed and so on. AJ's been taking some of the things we're finished with on out to the truck, and David and I are going to get the cleaning on this. So this is the customer's drop-in. She just showed up and she was nice. So I'm going to cut some of this silicone off of here for us so we can set the sink in the hole. I treat people how they treat me. And I got a short that's doing well, and a lot of negative comments. People saying rookie and this and that. Man, they don't even know. They don't even know. But it's all good. Somebody liquid nailed plus silicone that sink. I've cut myself really bad a couple of times. And the bad part is, my first aid kit's missing off the truck. Every time I need something off the truck, it's freaking missing. So now I've got to freaking tape up my hands with freaking paper towel and tape. Okay guys, I know you've heard me say this before on other videos. I get nervous when I talk to the customer, and I walked outside and forgot to take my pictures and do my final video again, but I'm back. So everything's finished. I just went over aftercare. Everything turned out well. I don't foresee any issues. You guys have seen what we did from beginning to end. Once again, we were blessed with a nice customer. She showed up 3/4 way through the job and let us finish, and she's been just a blessing to work with. You've seen us put the raised bar in. If you want to watch the shorts, there's 2 of them on there. The first one we failed when it hit the cabinet. The second one, after I trimmed up the ears, we were able to get it in. And then you see me put these brackets in there. Otherwise, you know, no major issues or anything. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you're respectful with the way you ask, I will do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll probably just ignore you. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.